Yeah.
Warrnambool.
Yeah, pretty good. Melbourne?
Got anything planned for the holidays?
Yeah, I thought I'd just pop over the border, see the family.
Oh, me too.
I'm going fishing.
Remember at the start of the holidays when we thought, just maybe, things were looking up for the Aussie states and territories? Vaccination rates were going through the roof.
Yeah, well, I reached 90% double dose back in November. So...
Yeah, well, I reached it first, before you, just FYI.
And with those high vaccination rates, state and territory governments started to talk about opening up.
I think it's about time we were open with each other. Don't you think?
Yeah, I agree. What about that guy?
Don't worry about him. He'll come out when he's ready.
But then, in late December, things started to turn a little pear-shaped.
I just recorded 11,000 cases.
I just recorded 17,000 cases! 35,000?
Guys, this isn't a competition. 92,000 cases!
Yep, we managed to ride into our third year of living with COVID on a wave of Omicron.
The Omicron COVID variant.
Omicron wave.
Omicron COVID variant.
The Omicron variant is leading to chaotic scenes at major airports.
Omicron is a mutated version of COVID-19, or what's known as a variant. It behaves a bit differently to the virus we've seen before. It's more contagious, so it's been causing a lot more cases. But on the bright side, scientists think it's less likely to make you really sick. Still, a lot of people are in hospital, and nurses, doctors, and paramedics have been working really hard. The rise in cases also meant that people were waiting for days, even a week, to get their test results back. Cue the rats. No, as cool as that would be, RAT actually stands for Rapid Antigen Test. It's a different type of test to the ones we'd got used to at testing centres because you could do them yourself at home and get almost instant results. And in December, the government gave them the green light. But getting your hands on a RAT didn't turn out to be that easy. Shops that sold them sold out almost immediately. But they weren't the only thing to sell out. Lots of people were getting COVID, including the people that prepare and deliver our groceries. And shop shelves started looking a bit empty.
We've run out of snags.
Does anyone have any snags?
The shops are out.
The closest thing we could find was this.
However, it wasn't all bad news. Kids aged 5 and up are now approved to get the jab. A new vaccine, Novavax, has officially joined the team as part of Australia's rollout, and the government approved a new type of medicine, a pill you can swallow that can make people less sick if they get COVID. Although they say vaccines are still the best defence we have. As for school, that was a tough one for all the governments to agree on. Yep, that's right, you lot are a difficult bunch to manage. Nah, just kidding. Victoria and New South Wales ended up agreeing on very similar plans.
We think that there's some strength, not just for our respective states, but there's strength for the nation in having the two biggest states on essentially the same footing.
While the other states and territories announced their own plans that included face masks, hygiene products like hand sanitizer, and free rats for students and teachers. No, not those rats, like COVID tests. There we go. So, if you're back at school, welcome back. And in terms of COVID news, you're all caught up.